In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to star fonts here in Canva. Now, Canva recently added this feature and it's absolutely awesome. Now, to do this, we can simply click onto our text so we can come up to the fonts just here. Then any fonts that we really like, we can star them so it makes it easier to find. Now, this font is Canva Sans. But let's come down to here. Let's say I've been using this font quite a lot. Now to star this, what we want to do is click onto the three dots, then we can click Star Font. Then if we come back up to here, we're going to see Starred Fonts. Now to unstar this, say you don't want to use it anymore, it's just as simple. We click onto this, onto the three dots, and click Unstar Font. But all the fonts that we really like, whether they're our own fonts or Canva fonts, we can do this on all of them. So let's say I've been using this font. Let's click on this one. Let's star that. And let's say I've been also using this font. We can click on the three dots, click on Star Font, come up to the top, and then again, we're going to see our starred fonts just here. So that's just how simple it is to star fonts here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.